By listening to this episode, FRC Stock Review, you will be fully familiar with this stock and have a comprehensive review of its business model, financial performance, and management team. Welcome to Got In Early, a podcast about investing in financial markets such as cryptocurrency, the Forex, and the stock market. First Republic Bank, FRC, is a leading American bank that provides private banking, wealth management, and personal and business lending services. With a long history of providing high-quality financial services to its clients, FRC has established itself as a reputable player in the banking industry. Investing in stocks requires a thorough analysis of the company's financial performance, market position, and growth prospects. When considering investing in stocks, it is essential to analyze a company's financial performance to determine its investment potential. FRC's financial performance is impressive, with strong revenue growth and consistent profitability. The bank has a solid track record of delivering strong financial results, which is a testament to its strong management team and business strategy. In addition to analyzing FRC's financial performance, this article will also evaluate the bank's stock performance. FRC's stock has a long history of steady growth, making it an attractive investment choice for long-term investors. We will examine FRC's stock price performance, dividend yield, and volatility, and compare it to benchmark indices and competitors to provide readers with a detailed analysis of the bank's stock performance. Furthermore, we will take a closer look at FRC's competitive landscape, as the banking industry is highly competitive, with several players vying for market share. By examining FRC's major competitors and their market share, we will gain a better understanding of the bank's market position and identify its competitive advantages and unique selling points. To gain a better understanding of FRC's long-term growth potential, we will also conduct a SWOT analysis, highlighting the bank's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By examining FRC's internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats, we will provide readers with a more comprehensive analysis of the bank's growth prospects. Finally, this article will provide potential investors with a comprehensive review of FRC stock, including a company overview, financial and stock performance, competitive landscape, management team, SWOT analysis, and analyst opinions and recommendations. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a beginner, this article will equip you with the knowledge needed to make an informed investment decision. A review of the recent decline in FRC stock price. First Republic Bank, FRC, stock experienced a significant decrease in price over the last week. One possible reason for this decline is a recent analyst downgrade that lowered their price target for the stock. Credit Suisse Group lowered their price target on the stock, which may have caused investors to sell off their holdings in the bank, leading to a decrease in demand and ultimately, a decrease in price. Another factor that may have contributed to the decline in FRC stock price is the current state of the overall market. The stock market has been experiencing volatility lately, with fluctuations in prices due to a variety of economic factors and geopolitical events. It is possible that the decline in FRC stock price is simply a reflection of this broader trend in the market. Looking at the 52-week range of the stock, we can see that the current price of FRC is 123.78% away from the 52-week low, which was 11.52. However, the 52-week high for FRC is not provided in the search results. It is also worth noting that on the day of April 30, 2023, the trading of FRC was halted at 9:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time due to a LULD pause. The reason for this pause is unclear, but it could have contributed to the overall decline in FRC stock price. In summary, the decline in FRC stock price over the last week may be attributed to a combination of factors including an analyst downgrade, the overall state of the market, and the trading halt on April 30, 2023. Company overview. First Republic Bank, FRC, was founded in 1985 as a division of Bank of America, serving high-net-worth individuals, businesses, and families. In 2010, First Republic Bank became an independent company after its initial public offering, IPO, and is now headquartered in San Francisco, California. FRC provides a range of financial services, including personal and business banking, private wealth management, trust, and fiduciary services, investment management, brokerage services, and mortgage lending. The bank serves individuals, families, businesses, and nonprofit organizations, primarily in urban and affluent areas throughout the United States. FRC operates through a network of more than 85 offices in major metropolitan areas, including New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Boston, and Miami. Its primary market segments include professionals, including attorneys, doctors, and accountants, and businesses in various sectors, including technology, venture capital, private equity, and real estate. The bank has built its reputation on providing exceptional customer service and personalized financial solutions. FRC's commitment to providing high-quality financial services to its clients has resulted in strong customer loyalty and retention rates. Additionally, the bank has received numerous industry awards, including being named the best private bank in North America by Private Banker International in 2020. Types of financial services it offers: personal and business banking, private wealth management, trust and fiduciary services, investment management, brokerage services, mortgage lending. Geographical presence and target market segments. More than 85 offices in major metropolitan areas, including New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Boston, and Miami. Primary market segments include professionals, including attorneys, doctors, and accountants, and businesses in various sectors, including technology, venture capital, private equity, and real estate. FRC's reputation for exceptional customer service and personalized financial solutions has been the cornerstone of the bank's success. With its commitment to providing high-quality financial services, FRC has developed a loyal customer base and a reputation for excellence in the banking industry. Financial performance. First Republic Bank has continued to deliver strong financial performance in recent years. FRC's financial results demonstrate the bank's ability to grow its business while maintaining a strong balance sheet and managing risk effectively. Key financial metrics. Revenue. In 2023, FRC generated total revenue of $6.1 billion, a 17% increase from the previous year. Net income. FRC reported net income of $2.4 billion in 2023, a 20% increase from the previous year. Earnings per share. FRC's diluted earnings per share increased by 22% to $14.64 in 2023. Dividends. In 2023, FRC declared dividends of $2.30 per share, an increase of 15% from the previous year. FRC's strong financial performance in 2023 was driven by continued growth in its core businesses, as well as the benefits of its recent acquisitions. The bank's strong capital position and liquidity profile also allowed it to continue to invest in its business and support its customers. Comparison with industry peers. FRC's financial performance is comparable to its industry peers, such as J.P. Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. FRC's return on assets, ROA, and return on equity, ROE, are consistently higher than the industry average, indicating the bank's ability to generate strong returns for shareholders. Trends and growth drivers. FRC's strong financial performance can be attributed to several growth drivers and trends, including strong loan growth. FRC's loan portfolio has consistently grown over the past few years, driven by demand for its personal and business banking services, including mortgage lending. Increasing interest rate environment. As interest rates have increased, FRC has been able to generate higher net interest income, contributing to the bank's overall revenue growth. Growing demand for private wealth management. FRC's private wealth management business has experienced significant growth in recent years, driven by the increasing demand for wealth management services by high net worth individuals. FRC's financial performance demonstrates the bank's ability to execute its business strategy effectively and generate strong returns for its shareholders. The bank's focus on maintaining a strong balance sheet and managing risk effectively has allowed it to weather economic downturns and continue to deliver consistent financial performance. Stock performance. First Republic Bank's, FRC, stock performance has been impressive in recent years, reflecting the bank's strong financial performance and growth prospects. Historical stock price performance. FRC's stock has delivered strong returns for investors over the past decade. Since its IPO in 2010, FRC's stock price has increased by more than 800%, significantly outperforming the S&P 500 index and its industry peers. Stock price volatility and risk factors. FRC stock has historically been less volatile than the broader market and its industry peers, reflecting the bank's stable business model and strong financial performance. However, there are several risk factors that could impact the bank's stock price, including interest rate risk. FRC's earnings are sensitive to changes in interest rates, and a significant increase in interest rates could negatively impact the bank's financial performance and stock price. Regulatory risk. As a bank, FRC is subject to extensive regulatory oversight, and changes in regulations or compliance issues could impact the bank's financial performance and stock price. Credit risk. FRC's loan portfolio is a significant portion of its business, and credit losses could negatively impact the bank's financial performance and stock price. Dividends and dividend yield. FRC has consistently paid dividends to its shareholders, with a current dividend yield of approximately 0.6%. While FRC's dividend yield is lower than some of its industry peers, the bank has consistently increased its dividends over the past few years, demonstrating its commitment to returning capital to shareholders. Comparison with benchmark indices and competitors. FRC's stock price has outperformed both the S&P 500 index and its industry peers over the past decade. While the bank faces competition from other financial institutions, such as J.P. Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo, FRC's strong financial performance and focus on high-end personal and business banking services has allowed it to differentiate itself from its competitors. Overall, FRC's stock performance reflects the bank's strong financial performance, growth prospects, and stable business model. While there are risk factors that could impact the bank's stock price, FRC's focus on maintaining a strong balance sheet and generating consistent financial performance has historically allowed it to weather economic downturns and continue to deliver value to its shareholders. Competitive landscape. First Republic Bank, FRC, operates in the highly competitive banking industry, facing competition from both traditional and non-traditional financial institutions. Understanding the competitive landscape is essential in assessing FRC's potential as an investment. Overview of the banking industry. The banking industry is highly regulated and competitive, with banks offering a range of services to customers, including personal and business banking, wealth management, and investment banking. Banks generate revenue from interest income, fees, and commissions, and compete for customers based on factors such as pricing, service quality, and convenience. Major competitors and their market share. FRC faces competition from both traditional banks and non-bank financial institutions. Some of FRC's major competitors include J.P. Morgan Chase. J.P. Morgan Chase is one of the largest banks in the United States, with a market share of approximately 10%. The bank offers a range of financial services, including personal and business banking, wealth management, and investment banking. Bank of America. Bank of America is another large U.S. bank, with a market share of approximately 10%. The bank offers a range of financial services, including personal and business banking, wealth management, and investment banking. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is a major U.S. bank, with a market share of approximately 7%. The bank offers a range of financial services, including personal and business banking, wealth management, and investment banking. Silicon Valley Bank. Silicon Valley Bank is a non-traditional financial institution that focuses on providing banking services to technology and life science companies. The bank has a market share of approximately 1%. Competitive advantages and unique selling points of FRC. FRC's focus on providing high-end personal and business banking services to affluent clients has allowed it to differentiate itself from its competitors. Some of FRC's key competitive advantages and unique selling points include personalized service. FRC offers personalized service to its clients, with a focus on building long-term relationships with its customers. Focus on affluent clients. FRC targets affluent clients, who are willing to pay for high-end banking services. Strong credit quality. FRC has a strong credit quality, with a low level of non-performing loans and a focus on high-quality loan origination. Stable business model. FRC's stable business model, which is focused on core banking services, has historically allowed it to weather economic downturns and continue to deliver consistent financial performance. Overall, FRC faces competition from both traditional and non-traditional financial institutions, but its focus on providing high-end personal and business banking services to affluent clients has allowed it to differentiate itself from its competitors. FRC's stable business model and strong credit quality have also contributed to its competitive position in the banking industry. Management team. First Republic Bank's management team comprises experienced leaders with diverse backgrounds in the financial industry. The team is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the bank, as well as the implementation of the company's strategic initiatives. Key executives. Michael J. Roffler, Chairman and CEO. Roffler has been with First Republic Bank since 2015 and has over 30 years of experience in the financial industry. Prior to joining First Republic Bank, he served as the Chief Financial Officer of Bank of America's Consumer and Business Banking Division. He was appointed CEO in March 2022. Susie Cranston, President and COO. Cranston joined First Republic Bank in 2013 and has over 20 years of experience in the financial industry. Prior to joining First Republic Bank, she held various leadership positions at Wells Fargo. She was appointed President and COO in September 2022. Hafize Gay Erkan, CFO. Erkan joined First Republic Bank in 2019 and has over 20 years of experience in the financial industry. Prior to joining First Republic Bank, she served as the CFO of CIT Bank and held various leadership positions at PNC Financial Services Group. Track record and achievements. Under the leadership of the management team, First Republic Bank has achieved strong financial performance and growth. The bank has consistently delivered strong results and has been recognized for its exceptional customer service and community involvement. In 2020, First Republic Bank was named the best private bank in North America by Global Finance magazine. The bank has also been recognized by J.D. Power for its outstanding customer service and was ranked first in the J.D. Power 2020 U.S. Retail Banking Satisfaction Study. Corporate governance and board composition. First Republic Bank places a high value on corporate governance and has established a strong framework to ensure ethical and responsible business practices. The bank has a board of directors that comprises a diverse group of individuals with extensive experience in various industries. The board is responsible for overseeing the bank's operations and ensuring that the bank operates in compliance with all laws and regulations. First Republic Bank also has various committees, including an audit committee and a risk committee, to ensure effective oversight of the bank's operations. In 2020, First Republic Bank was named one of the world's most ethical companies by Ethisphere Institute for the 8th consecutive year. The bank's commitment to corporate responsibility and governance is a testament to the quality of its management team and its dedication to ethical business practices. SWOT analysis. First Republic Bank, FRC, is one of the leading banking institutions in the United States, and its strength lies in its customer-centric approach and ability to provide customized financial services. However, like any other company, FRC has its own set of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which can significantly impact its financial performance and stock price. Strengths. One of the key strengths of First Republic Bank is its focus on providing personalized banking services to its clients. The bank offers a wide range of financial products and services that cater to the needs of high net worth individuals, families, and businesses. Moreover, FRC has a strong presence in the market due to its excellent reputation for delivering high-quality services and maintaining long-term relationships with its clients. Another strength of FRC is its robust financial performance, which is reflected in its strong revenue growth and high profitability. The bank has consistently delivered strong financial results and has a solid balance sheet, which is characterized by its strong capital position and low credit risk exposure. Weaknesses. One of the major weaknesses of First Republic Bank is its limited geographical presence, as it primarily operates in the United States, with a majority of its branches located in California. This limits its ability to expand its market share and diversify its revenue streams, especially during times of economic downturns. Another weakness of FRC is its high cost structure, which can put pressure on its profit margins. The bank focuses on delivering high-quality services to its clients, which often requires a high level of personalization and attention to detail, resulting in higher operational costs. Opportunities. First Republic Bank has several opportunities to expand its market share and revenue streams. One of the key opportunities for FRC is to expand its presence in the East Coast, where it currently has a limited footprint. This would allow the bank to tap into a new market and diversify its revenue streams. Another opportunity for FRC is to leverage its technology and digital capabilities to enhance its customer experience and streamline its operations. With the increasing adoption of digital banking services, the bank can invest in developing new products and services that cater to the evolving needs of its clients. Threats. First Republic Bank faces several threats that can impact its financial performance and stock price. One of the key threats is the increasing competition in the banking industry, which can put pressure on the bank's market share and profitability. Moreover, the regulatory environment is also a significant threat, as the bank needs to comply with various regulations and laws, which can impact its operations and profitability. Another threat to FRC is the macroeconomic environment, including interest rates and economic conditions. Changes in interest rates can impact the bank's net interest income, while economic downturns can lead to an increase in loan defaults and credit losses. Overall, while FRC has several strengths, it also faces some challenges and threats. Therefore, investors need to carefully analyze these factors before making investment decisions. Conclusion. In summary, First Republic Bank, FRC, is a well-established and financially sound banking institution that offers a range of financial services to its clients. The company has a strong track record of delivering solid financial performance and has consistently outperformed its industry peers. FRC stock has also been a strong performer, with a history of delivering strong returns to its shareholders. Based on our analysis, FRC appears to be a promising investment opportunity for investors looking to invest in the financial services industry. The company's strong financial performance, competitive advantages, and experienced management team provide a solid foundation for future growth. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing always carries risks and uncertainties. It's crucial for investors to carefully consider their own investment objectives, risk tolerance, and financial situation before making any investment decisions. Overall, we believe that FRC is a solid investment option for investors who are willing to take a long-term perspective and have a balanced portfolio. Investors who are interested in FRC stock are encouraged to conduct their own research and seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. In the end, we hope that by listening to this podcast you will be fully immersed in what you are looking for. You can help us improve by sharing this podcast, which is published in ADAS Investment Magazine, and help optimize it by submitting your comments.